Hi everyone, this is Imran here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to create a WordPress business website using OceanWP theme and Elementor WordPress page builder plugin. In this video training I will use the free version of OceanWP theme and Elementor page builder, so you won't have to spend money. You will be able to design a website free of cost. Just you will need to buy a domain name and hosting account. That's the thing that you cannot get free at the moment. Here is the website that I will build during this course. Let me show you. First of all, you can add a logo here, and here you can see a nice menu. It's pretty simple but professional. If I hover over here, you can see nice animation. Here goes the search icon. If I click on it, you can see it replaces the header and you can search anything here and you can close it. And on the right here you can see social media icons, and on top here you can see the hero image banner, nice title, description, and a call to action button. Okay, and here you can see nice feature section, about section, services we offer, and nice amazing counters, meet the team, and a video section, and here you can see client carousel. And if I scroll down here you can see nice professional looking up footer, and you will get everything free, the free theme, free page builder plugin, so nothing to be worried about. You can start designing this website right now. And on the bottom here you can see click to top button. If you click on it, it will redirect to the top again. Well friends, if you are a web developer or if you are from any profession, you can build a website. Just you will have to follow the steps I'll be showing you through this video. If you get stuck at any point, you can let me know through the video comment box or you can contact me. I think it will be easy for every person. Let me show you the tools I will use. Here goes the OceanWP theme. It's a very popular free multi-purpose WordPress theme, and you can use this theme to build any kind of website. Yes, any kind of website. You can create a business website, you can create a blog website, you can create an e-commerce website using OceanWP theme. And here you can see the number of active installation. And another tool that I'll use is Elementor Page Builder. Using Page Builder, you can design a website live, just drag and drop. Here you can see everything is going to be happened. And finally, if you would like to bring your website live, then you will need a domain name and a hosting package. Say for example, here you can see YouTube, and youtube.com is the domain name, just the address of your website. Here you can see elementor.com. It's the domain name, and the content here you can see is hosted in a hosting package. So you will need a domain name and a hosting package. Domain name and hosting packages are different services, but they work together to make your website live. I personally recommend SiteGround web hosting provider. I personally use their service, and I will show you how to install WordPress using SiteGround hosting interface. Okay, I also recommend other hosting packages like A2 Hosting, GreenGeeks, and Bluehost. If you already have purchased any domain name or hosting account, nothing to be worried about, you can continue with that. But if you need any new domain name and hosting package, I have provided the links in the video description. If you purchase through my link, then I will get a little commission, and that will be a big support for my channel to grow up. Okay, I hope you will support my channel to grow up. Okay, that's all. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain name and hosting account using SiteGround hosting provider. I have provided the link in the video description. If you click on that link, then you will be sent here. And on this page here you can see hosting, and you will see different hosting categories. as we are going to build a website using WordPress platform, so we will click here WordPress hosting, and here you can see managed WordPress hosting. Before you purchase, you can see their technologies. Here goes 3 different packages: startup, grow big, and go gig. If you have a plan to build website or making any online business, then I think grow big will be a good choice for you, because you will be able to host unlimited websites. You won't have to purchase a new hosting account again. But if you have a tight budget, then you can start with the startup. According to your budget and your target or your need, you can choose through any of the packages. But I'm going to click on this one, get plan. Just click on this get plan button, and here you can see the option to choose a domain name. If you already have a domain name, then you will check the second radio button, I have a domain name. Or if you don't have any domain name, just click the first one. I'm going to show you how to purchase. Say for example, my name is Imran, so I'm going to type a name, Imran Dev. Okay, but according to your business brand that will represent your business, you will just type the name here and hit proceed. Okay, here you can see the domain name you have chosen isn't available. Already someone have purchased it. So I'm going to add Imran Imu, then hit proceed again. Now it says congratulations, your domain name is available. And it's the step number 3. Here you can see third step, review and complete. Here you will put your email address, password, confirm password, and your information and payment information, your credit card number, expiry date, etc. And here you can see purchase information. The plan I have selected is a startup, but if you click on here, you can choose any other different plan. Okay, and here goes the data center. The nearest data center according to your location will be automatically selected. I'm in South Asia, so Singapore is automatically selected. But if you are from United States, then you can choose USA. If you are from Europe, then you can choose Europe. Or if you are from United Kingdom, then select United Kingdom. Okay, and here you will see 2 extra options, extra service, domain privacy. If you want to protect your domain, you can purchase this service, and SD site scanner, you can choose it. Finally, hit this 2 checkbox and hit pay now button. Once you have purchased this package, just click on login with your username and password, then you will see the interface. And also you will get several emails on your email account that you have placed here, and you will get the proper instructions how to access here. Okay, and hit login. Okay, here I'll add my password to access the interface. Okay friends, put the password and click this checkbox, stay logged in, and hit login button. Okay friends, here is the dashboard of SiteGround web hosting, and here you will see the necessary options and navigations you need. Just what I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you these things, service, billing, referral, marketplace. Just I'm going to access websites. Just hit on websites, and here you will see website details. I have only one domain hosted in this account, just themescode.net, and my plan is grow big. Okay, and here you can see site tools, and here you can see available extra. Okay, and just you can access the WordPress kit here. I'm not going to do that. Just I'm going to click on site tools. Okay, hello Imran. Now Here you can see the IP address and name servers and email account, file manager and Cloudflare CDN. But on the left, here you can see site, security, speed, WordPress, domains, email, statistics, dev, etc. A lot of things. If you click on WordPress, here you will see install and manage, staging, migration, staging, migrator, auto update. And click on domain, you will see domain related options, emails, email related options, statistics, dev, okay. And click on speed, here you will see, and click on security, and here you will see security related options, and click on site, here you will see site management options, okay. And they have everything here, and everything is pretty simple. So in this part, I'm going to install WordPress, okay. Just click on install and manage. Well, here you can see install and manage WordPress, and two options. You can install WordPress CMS and you can install WordPress CMS and WooCommerce plugin. As we are not going to build an e-commerce website, so this is not for us. And you can add existing site, okay, but that's not. We are going to select this option. Just click on select, and here you can see list of the domain names, but I will install WordPress in a subdomain, so I'm going to choose the subdomain. Okay, here it is. And installation path, just leave this default, you don't have to customize it. And language will be English, and just uncheck this, I don't need the starter plugin. And here you will choose the username for your WordPress website, and here you will add the password and email address. Okay, I'm going to put the email address, just okay. And another add-on you can see, install WordPress multi-site, but I'm not going to do that. Just I'm going to choose an username, but make your username a bit complex. Don't add admin or something like this, okay. I'm just going to choose something different, okay, just something different, okay. And password, you can generate password or you can add password from anywhere, okay. I'm just going to click on generate password tab, and a password has been added. You can see the password just if you click on this button, and anytime you can just uncheck it, okay. And you can regenerate the password. Just click on here, okay, click on here, and password will be regenerated. And finally, just click on this copy button to get the password. Here you can see copy to clipboard. I'm going to save this password in the hard disk, and you should do that. Okay, finally hit this install button, okay, and it's going to be installed. Okay, here you can see the installation process is done. It took just a few minutes. Just few seconds. And here you can see control panel and visit site. If you click on here, and here it is. From here you can log into the admin and click on this 3 dot, update password, reset permission, move application, etc. Just if you click on here, you will be redirected to the, or should I say, the admin area. But I'm going to open up the site, and here it is, just a brand new installation of WordPress website. And if you would like to access the dashboard, just click here. Here is the dashboard. And this is not the ideal way to access the dashboard. What you will have to do, just go to the website, and after the domain name, put / and type wp hyphen admin and hit enter. Okay. As I am logged in, then I didn't have to put the username and password. But if I try it again some other time, then I will have to put the username and password. Okay, and this was for SiteGround hosting interface. But if you are working in a cPanel based hosting interface like A2 hosting, GreenGeek, or Bluehost, then your installation process might be a bit different. So what I'm going to do for you, just go to my channel, just come here at my channel, and I have this video for you, how to install WordPress in cPanel manually step by step. Or I have another video, and here is the video. Let me show you. Here it is, how to install WordPress in cPanel using Softaclass. And this video, I will put the link in the video description, so you will watch this video and you will be install WordPress in your cPanel based hosting. And if you already have SiteGround hosting, then there is nothing to say, you are already done installing WordPress CMS with me. Okay friends, so I think by this time we have purchased our domain name and hosting packages, and we have installed the WordPress CMS, whether we are on WordPress, whether we are using SiteGround or any other hosting packages. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to install OceanWP theme and Elementor Page Builder. And after this task, we will start designing our website. Okay. So just access the dashboard. Okay. Here is the dashboard of my website. But I already said that after the domain name, type / and type wp-admin to access this dashboard. You will just use the username and password we used while creating or installing the website. Now navigate to the appearance. If you are very beginner to WordPress, just nothing to be worried about, it's pretty easy. Appearance will control the look of your website, and if I visit the site, I'm going to close some tabs. These are not necessary. I don't need this. I don't need this video. Okay, I'm going to keep it, and okay, I have closed the unnecessary tabs. This is the current look of our website, and this look can be changed anytime if you change the theme, and you will get the theme under appearance. And here you can see themes. Just click on it, and here you can see 4 themes, and here you can see four themes we have added already, and these are the default themes comes with WordPress, and the latest one 2020 is installed and activated. But I'm going to work with OceanWP theme. That's a completely different theme. So what I'm going to do, just click add new. Here you can see I have navigated to appearance, then I clicked on themes, then I have came here, and now I'm going to click on add new. Okay, just click on add new. If you are already a master of WordPress, then I think you are getting bored, but just follow with me. And here you can see popular tab. I'm going to click on popular tab. And here you can see the themes, but here it is OceanWP. This is on the theme I'm going to install now. But for example, if you don't see this theme under popular tab, then what you will do, just you will search here OceanWP, OCEANWP. Okay, here it is, and hit this install button. It installed, and hit this activate button. Now this theme is installed and activated. Okay, let's refresh this page. Now it looks different because I have changed the theme. Okay, very good. We have installed the theme, and after you install any theme, you will see this option install plugins, because every theme, not every theme, most of the themes recommend some plugins, and you will definitely see a notification here. This theme recommends the following plugins: Elementor, Ocean Extra, WP Forms. Elementor is the plugin. This one is the plugin that we were talking about. Okay, so we can install from here, or you can install individually, the same thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on install plugins, and I'm going to install Ocean Extra and install Elementor. Okay, and just click on here and select install and hit apply. Okay, we have successfully installed and activated these plugins, and here you can see the Elementor welcome window, and just I'm going to close it. And here is a notification: welcome to OceanWP. Are you ready to create an amazing website? Yes, we are ready, but we are going to skip the setup. We don't need this. Just dismiss. Okay, so friends, I have installed Elementor Page Builder and Ocean Extra plugin, but here you can see plugins. If you click on plugins, if you hover over the plugins, and here you can see plugins. If you hover over the plugins and you can see install plugins, just click on it. You see these things here. And if you could not follow my previous step, just come here, plugins, add new, and here is the interface to search for any plugin. Just search for Elementor. And here is the plugin I have already installed. That's why this button is disabled. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we have installed the OceanWP theme, we have installed the Elementor Page Builder, and we have activated both of them. Now we are going to create some pages, because everything you can see here about us, it's a page. Portfolio, it's a page. Contact, it's a page. So we will have to create pages. Just here you can see pages. Okay, and click on all pages, and here you can see add new. So if you click on add new, and here you can see the interface to create a page. The latest WordPress editor is Gutenberg, and this is the interface of Gutenberg. I'm just going to put the title of the page, home, and hit publish. I'm going to click on add new again to create another page. Now I'm going to create about us. Again, click on this publish button, hit publish. Again, click add new. I'm going to click and I'm going to name it Contact Us. Hit publish. Okay. So again, I'm going back to all pages. I have several pages, but I don't need this. Just I'm going to check this box, and from the bulk action, I'm going to move to trash, hit apply. Then this unnecessary pages are gone. So friends, we have 3 pages: about us, contact us, and home. And if I click on home here on the demo site, and here you can see the home page. So now we are going to start our journey and we will design this page. Okay, so get ready. I think we have done a lot of tasks by this time, so just grab a cup of coffee or have a cup of tea and get back again. Okay, so we are going to design a page like this. What we are going to do, we are here under all pages, and here you can see home page, home. So we are going to design the home page, and I have created this page earlier. So just click on edit. Here you can see my mouse cursor, and click on edit, and it will bring you to this interface. Okay, so here you can see a blue button called edit with Elementor. If you have successfully installed and activated the Elementor page builder, you will definitely see this button. If you don't see this button, then I think you have made a mistake. You couldn't install the Elementor page builder properly. And I have a dedicated tutorial on Elementor page builder. Just search for Elementor Imranimu. And here you will find my tutorials on Elementor. This is the tutorial I was talking about, Elementor for beginners. Just if you click on it, and you will find it. Okay, it's a complete tutorial on Elementor. Okay, I have some other tutorials on Elementor too. How to create a slider, create a portfolio website, create an on-page website, create a on-page website using Elementor. Okay, so just search for Imranimu on YouTube. You will definitely find. And if you want Elementor related videos, just add Elementor. Okay, that's all. And now we are going to click on edit with Elementor. And this will bring you to this interface. This interface, the very new interface of Elementor page builder. On the left, here you can see is the Elementor designing tools panel. Here you will find all the widgets, I mean tools of Elementor page builder that we will use to design the web page. And on the right, here you will visually see what we are going to do. Okay, we are going to add section widgets on the right, and we will use the tools or widgets from here. Here you can see search widgets, and here you will see global things. As we are using the free version of Elementor, we won't get all the features. Okay, so don't worry, the basic or free version is far enough to build a website like this. Okay, first of all, when you will be sent here on the interface of Elementor, just click on this gear icon on the on the bottom left. On the bottom left, you will find update preview changes, responsive mode, and history, and navigator, and settings. Click on settings, and here you can see the title of the page and status. The page is already published, and hide title. You can hide the title, and here you can see page layout. This one is very important. Okay, we are going to use Elementor full width page builder, Elementor full width page template. Before the WordPress page builders were popular, then we had to depend on the themes page template. But now, as people use, or developers or designers are hugely dependent on page builders, then we use page layout from the page builder. We don't use the template from the theme. Theme is going to be less valuable in the near future. Okay, and hit update. And there are some other things also that we should take care of. And here you can see hamburger icon. Just click on it, and here you can manage the default colors. Okay, and here you can manage the default fonts. Here we can set the global settings. Okay, and here we can just dashboard settings, but we don't need this at the moment. But I'm going to show you just preference. Okay, and finder, view page, and finally you can go to the dashboard. If you click here, you will be sent to the dashboard. Okay, that's all. Just I clicked on it, and I have got back to this interface again. And here goes all the free widgets. If you go to the page, and you will see the information about 30 free widgets. Okay, now let's see on the right side. Here you can see a very purple color button, plus sign, and if you mouse over here, you can see add new section, and here you can see a folder type icon, and if you mouse over on it, you can see add template. Okay, if you click on it, then a pop-up box will show up, and you can use the default templates, very nice templates, ready-made websites. Okay, just click on it, you can see the ready-made website. I'm not going to use any ready-made website, but because if you use the ready-made website, then you can build a website very quickly, but you won't learn a lot of things. So if you build a website from the scratch, you will learn a lot. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, and if you click on the plus sign, then you can see select your structure. What will be the structure? Here on the demo site, I have 2 column row. On the left, I have used this, and I have kept the right on blank. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just drag it and drop here. I'm just going to click on it, this one, large part on the left and a small part on the right, and here you can see. Okay, so here on the hero section, we are going to design this hero section. We have a background image and a gradient color overlay and text. So we are going to add the background image. Just on the top here, you can see a plus sign and some dots and cross sign. If you click on the cross sign, then this section will be removed. Okay, I'm going to press Ctrl Z. Okay, Ctrl Z doesn't work, so I'm going to click on the plus sign again, and I'm going to choose this section. Here you can see, if you click on the plus sign, then you will lose it. It will be lost. So click on this 6 dots. Got it. Click on the 6 dots, and on the right you see edit section panel is opened up. if you click on any element and the respective panel will be open up on the left side. It's magical. Just if you click on this plus sign and this open up. If you click on this, it will open up the respective setting panel. Okay, that's pretty fine. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it full section strength and content will be boxed, and we can define the content width, but by default it should be 1200. I prefer it. Okay, and column gap, no gap, and height will be minimum height. Okay, so minimum height at this moment I'm going to leave it here. Okay, just hit update, but I will get back to this setting again, don't worry. But I'm going to add the background image first, then you will find it very enjoyable. Just click on this style tab. Here it is. So here you can see background and you can see background type. I'm going to click on this classic. Click on this plus sign, choose image, and you can see insert media. WordPress media panel is opened up. On the right you can see media library, but we don't have any image here because it's a very new installation site. Okay, I'm going to click on this select file to browse my hard disk and get an image for my, here it is. Just insert media, and here you can see the background image, and background position will be center or center left. Attachment, okay, for hero image no attachment. And I'm just going to get back to the layout again. Now I'm going to work with the height. Here you can see pixel and vertical height. Click on vertical height on the middle, vertical height, and here type 80. If you type 80, then this will take 80% of your screen. Okay, that's cool. If you type 90, then it will take 90% of the screen size, but I think 80% is cool. Okay friends, I think you could understand and you are following the steps. Don't leave the video. If you don't understand, you can let me know through the comment box. And here you can see column position middle, vertical align default. Leave all these things default and hit update and go to the style again. Now see the demo website. Here are very beautiful, what should I say, a nice gradient. So I'm going to put the gradient here again. So here you can see background overlay and color type, background type, classic. If you choose classic, you can add any color. Okay, but we are going to use gradient, the most beautiful thing. Okay, so I'm going to clear it and click on the next button. It's gradient. So if you have used Adobe Photoshop, and if you have used or worked with Adobe Photoshop, you will find gradient, and for gradient you will have to choose one more color, minimum 2 colors, just this color and another color. Okay, second color. This one is the primary color, so I'm going to choose the primary color. Just say for example this color, and this one is the secondary color. And location, primary color location is 0, and this color location is 100%, type is linear, opacity is this, and angle I have used 125 angle, 25. What's wrong with you guys? 125. It's not similar, but to get the similar things I'm going to use the color code I have used here. Just I'm going to navigate to wp-admin. Again, I have set the angle is 125 degree and opacity should be 9. Just I'm going to put 0, 9, and CSS filter, just blend mode will be normal. And I'm going to change the color. I have got the color code I used for this, and here goes the color code. This one is for first color. Just here it is. I'm going to add the color code here. Okay, and I'm going to click on this plus sign to add color picker. Okay, and the second color, this is the color code for the second color. Okay, so now it nearly looks like the demo, and now we are going to add this text. Okay, so firstly, here you can see a small text with few words is time for digital marketing. Okay, so I'm going to copy it and just click on this icon. Okay, if I click on this icon, then the widget panel will show up, or alternatively you can click on this plus sign. Just click on the plus sign, then widget panel will show up. So what I'm going to do, just click on this text editor and hold it, drag and drop here. Okay, and here you can see the default content. I'm going to replace it, time for digital marketing, then go back to style and firstly change the color to white, and here you can see, and alignment should be left, and go for the typography. Just click on typography. We are going to choose the font family to Poppins. Font family will be Poppins, and just font size I'm going to choose 16 pixel. That's okay for now. Again, click on this icon, and now we are going to choose a title for this one. Okay, just here you can see the first on first row heading. Just hold it, drag and drop here. Just drag and drop here, and here you can see a small bar, and if you see the small bar, now a small bar is over this text, time for digital marketing, but bring it to bottom and leave it, so you can add the title. Now here you on the left, now here on the left you can see title. Just I'm going to paste the title here. You can also add any link to this title, but I'm not going to add any link. Okay, just I'm going to jump to style, and firstly I'm going to change the color. Okay, now go to the typography. I'm going to choose the font family, and we are going to use Poppins. Okay, and the font size, let's see the font size. Click, it's Poppin, and the font size is 60 pixel, and line height is 74, and color is white. Okay, the size will be 60 pixel. Now you can see it's large, and line height will be, just select the pixel, and 72 pixel. Okay, you can choose transform of uppercase as you wish. I don't want you just create a website as this. You can put your creativity. You can make your design different. Okay, and style normal. Okay, that's all. And again, we are going to add some text. Just click here, and here goes the text editor. Just drag and drop here. Here you can see a large bar appears. A large bar appear. Okay, just leave it, and here you can see the text. Jump to the style. Firstly, change the text color to white. I have selected white, and just select typography and change the typography to Poppins. Just font family Poppins, and choose the size to 15. Okay, and just this button. Okay, click here again, and here you can see button. Just hold it, drag and drop. Okay, just choose medium, alignment left. Here it says free download. Okay, I'm going to type free download. Where? Here, text, click here, free download. Okay, one thing that I didn't do for here, you can add any icon also. Here you can see icon library. Just click on it. You can add any icon, just download. Here it is. And where would you like to position your icon? Before or after? Just after. Okay, icon spacing. Okay, and here you can add the link. I'm going to link up this video. Just copy the URL and paste here. You can link to any page. Just click on the gear icon, and here you will see link option. Open in a new window. I have checked open in new window. Okay friends, now I'm going to change the background color and go back to the style. Firstly, you will see typography. I'm going to change the font family to Poppins, and font size should be 16 pixel or 18 pixel, as large as you want. Transform uppercase. Okay, and background color, this color, no, it doesn't look nice. I'm going to get the color. One of my follower subscriber asked me how I get the color. Just with Chrome extension I use to get this color. Okay, and I have replied it, but I'm going to show you in details. But before I do that, I'm going to copy and paste the color. I use this extension. It's a Google Chrome extension, and just click on it and you get the color of any element. Okay, so I'm going to get here, right click, manage extension, view in Google Chrome Web Store, and here you can see color picker, eyedropper. Using this extension, you can just get the color of any element of any web page. That's pretty simple. Life will be so easy. Okay, get back again. I have just got the color. Now I'm going to add border radius. You can see the corners are round, so I have added the border radius. But here you can see the border corner is sharp. So what I'm going to do, just going back to content, sorry, I'm going to click this button, and here you can see border radius. I'm going to add 6 pixels, and I'm going to increase it to 8. Okay, now it looks cool. Okay, now you can see the active color, but on hover what it should be, and here you can see hover, and just click on it and change the background color to this color. Now if I hover over it, the color changes. Pretty nice. Okay friends, one thing that I want to teach you, here you can see a blank column. I left it blank because I don't want to use this, but here you can manage the width or portion of the width of these two columns. Just if you bring your cursor here, you can see something like this, and just press the left mouse or hold it, and you can drag and manage the height, manage the width. Okay, anytime you can increase or decrease, just drag and increase or decrease the width. Okay, pretty simple. So I'm going to decrease the gap here. After time for digital, there is a gap. So what I'm going to do, click on it and go to the advanced. On the advanced, here you will see the option of margin. I'm going to put a negative margin for the bottom. Just I'm going to click on here to unlink and add some negative margin. 10 pixel. Okay. Now it looks a bit beautiful. Okay. So just almost same. But something wrong with the background image. Here you can see a tree behind it, but I don't see the tree here. So what's wrong? I'm going to click here again and go to the background under style, and here you can see position, center doesn't work more, center left, bottom center, okay, it looks cool. Now here you can see the tree, here you can see the tree. Okay, nice. That's all for this hero section. You can anytime change or add any element here. That's up to you. And very soon we are going to start to design this part, feature option. Okay friends, now we are going to build this section. Here you can see 3 information box, or you can say feature box. So here we are going to add a new section. Just as usual, we are going to click on this plus sign to add a new section. Just click on it, and I'm going to start with this 3 column. Okay, as we have 3 column here. Okay, here goes. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this information box or info box. So to add anything here or to add any widget, just click on this plus sign, and here you can see the widgets list, and under general you will see info box. Just drag and drop here. Okay, and here you can see the info box. Okay, you can add info box to other two sections or other two columns, or you can just finalize this one and later you can add here. But I would like to add for each of the column. Just drag, click here, just drag and drop. Okay, and the first title is web page ranking. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon. Here you can see on the corner, just click on the pencil icon, and here you can see under content. Here under content you can see the title and description. I'm going to paste the title and I'm not going to change the description, but let's see how to change the icon. Here probably line graph. I'm going to search for line, and here you can see the graph. Okay, what I do need to do, just change the color. Okay, so I'm going to get the color code. Just this is the color code. I'm going to click on the icon and just here you can see style. Go to the style part, and here you can see under icon you will see primary color. I'm just going to change the color, and I'm going to add this color to color picker. Just click on the plus sign, and also here you can see the color has been changed. Okay, now here you can see you can increase or decrease the space. You can select, you can increase the size of the icon. Here it is, the icon is a bit small, but I think the icon should be 100 pixel. 100 pixel. Okay, 100 pixel. And let's see how to change the title. So go to the content and the color. I'm just going to get the color. Just paste the color code here, and go to typography, and firstly change the font family to Poppins, and increase the size, make it to 36 pixel. Okay, 36 pixel. I'm going to check this Poppins and 26 pixel. Okay, so I'm going to make it 26 pixel. Okay, and I'm going to change color for the text. The text size is 14 and line height 25 and color is black. Just I'm going to go for description. I'm going to change the color to this color, or I'm going to make it fully black, and go to the typography. I'm going to change the font family to Poppins and set the font size to 14. Okay, now go to the advanced part. I'm going to add some margin on left and on right. Okay, so I'm just going to unlink it first. So some margin on right 10 pixel and on left 10 pixel. Okay, let's see what I'm going to do now. Just I'm going to copy the style, just copy, and I'm going to paste the style here. I'm going to paste the style here. Okay, it's pretty simple. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this title, video marketing. Change the title, just click on this pencil icon, video marketing. I'm going to change the icon, here it is. And now social media marketing, just click on the pencil icon, change the title, change the icon. Okay, it's pretty cool. But here you can see the section overlaps the hero image. Okay, how we can do that? Just come over here on the section editor, just edit section, and let's go to the advanced tab, and I'm going to add some negative margin so that it goes up. I'm just going to unlink it first, and on top I'm going to put some margin, negative margin of 100 pixel. Okay, now here you can see it goes up, but I didn't add background color for this info box. Okay, here I added the background color. Okay, so I could just push it up like this. Okay, now just click here, edit column, and go to this style, go to background type, go to color, and select background color for white. Okay, and the corner is round, so I will have to add, what should I say, border radius, and just let me add some border. Here you can see border, so I'm going to add border radius 8 pixel. Now you will see it's a bit round. Okay, here you can see it's going to be round. You can increase or decrease the value until you are happy with it. So what I'm going to do, just I'm going to add shadow, box shadow. Just click on this pencil icon, and now you can see box shadow has been added. Just I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to get the color from here. Okay, I have added the color, but here you can see blur is 10. I'm going to put 2. Okay, and vertical spread should be 2 also, 4. So let's see how it looks. Just click outside, not bad. Okay, so I'm going to click here, edit column, and click on copy, and again come here, click on edit column and paste style, click on paste style, and click on paste style. Okay, that's fine, but there should be a gap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the edit column again and go to the advanced tab, and I'm going to add margin. So just unlink it first. I'm going to add 10 for right, 10 for left. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and click copy. Again click on the edit column, click paste style, click paste style. Oh, sorry. Just Control Z. I'm going to click and paste style. So here you can see I could create something very close to this one. Here it is. Okay. So I could successfully created this section. Just hit update. And I'm going to click on preview change button. Let's see the preview here. Okay. Now we are going to add this part. How does it work? This part. So here you can see we have just two columns, the text and image on another column. So as per usual, we are going to click on this plus sign to create a new section. Okay, click on this plus sign and we are going to start with this two column row. Here you can see. And what we are going to do, we are going to add the header. So just click on the plus sign and here you can see heading. Just drag and drop here. And here you can see some text. Okay, so click again here and drag and drop some text. And here you can see some list element. So what I'm going to do, click here again. And where is the list? Just search for list, and here you can see icon list. Okay, that's all. Now on the right we have the image. So just click here and here you can see image. Just drag and drop and just change image, upload files. Here is the image. Now we are going to start designing it. First of all, we are going to add this padding. Here you can see a space gap between these two sections. To add any padding or empty space between two sections, what we will have to do, we will have to edit the section. Just click on here, edit section, and go to advanced, and just here you can see padding, and firstly unlink this so that we can add padding only for top 60 pixel and for bottom 60 pixel. That's fine, but for top we can add 80 also. Just hit update. Now we are going to start designing this part. We will make something like this. Okay, firstly I'm going to get the text and click on this pencil icon. Here we are going to change the text. Also here you can see this divider. What we are going to do, just click here and here you can see divider. Just drag and drop here. Just fine, and width should be okay. I'll manage it later. Just I was working with the title. Just click on it, and here you can see if I just check it, the font size is 36 pixel, line height is 36, and color is this. Okay, this is the color code, and the font family is Poppins. Okay, so come here and go to style and set the text color first. Okay, already exists, so we could manage the color and go to the typography and change the font family to Poppins. And here we can see the font size is 36 pixel. So change the font size to 36 pixel. Okay, that's all. And text transform, you can make it uppercase, lowercase, or you can make it capitalize. Everything depends on you. You have the control to design it visually. Okay, and the line height is also 36 pixel. So sorry, it should be pixel. Here you can see two different style, pixel and m, but I'm going to select pixel and I'm going to add the value 36. Nice, very simple. Okay friends, hope you are not getting bored with this video and you are doing well. Okay, now we are going to design this divider. Okay, just if you hover over it, you can see the pencil icon. Okay, just click on the pencil icon and respective setting panel will open up here. And firstly, style double spotted blah blah, but I'm going to choose solid and width should be okay 60 pixel, 60% enough. And alignment left, you can add any what should I say, icon, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to tell you that you have the freedom to design according to your size. You can add any text also. Okay, and go to the style part and I'm going to change the color. This one is the color, and the width should be at least 2, and gap, I'm going to reduce the gap. Okay, that's fine. Let's change the text color. Click here, click to the style. You can just change the text color. Okay, and typography, font family Poppins. Font family Poppins. I'm a very big fan of Poppins. I mostly use this font family in my tutorials, but you will see a lot of font families here. Okay, you choose the one you like most. Okay, but just for training purpose, I'm just going to work with just Poppins. Anyway, just search for Google Fonts on and here you will find lots of web fonts. Just choose any preferable fonts. Just select any font that you like most from here, and I hope you will find the font name here. Just say for example, if you look for Leto, just come here and search for Leto. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm going to select Leto for this. And just size should be 14 pixel, and just line height 26 pixel. Okay, that's all. Now here you can see some list elements. Okay, I'm just going to get the text, sorry, get the text and just click on the pencil icon to edit all of this. I'm going to remove others and click here, put the text. Here it is, pretty easy. And go to the style part, just icon, text, icon color. Here you can see the color, so I'm going to choose this color. and hover color will be this one. Okay, if somebody hover over it, then it will show this color. And increase or decrease the size, you can make it large, but don't do that. Left, just align it to left. And the text color will be black or this color. Text hover color, text indent, you can just push the text to right. And typography, pop-ins as usual. Size 14. I'm not going to show you this again, just you will be able to do it yourself. Just it's for the last time. Now what I'm going to do, get back to the content again and hit this button to duplicate. Okay, I duplicated it 3 times. Okay, that's enough. And hit update. Probably there should be a bug of Elementor, it's not showing up here. Let's see what can I do for it. Okay, I'm going to change the text so that I can see it. Click here. Oh, it shows now. Okay, and there should be a space. So what I'm going to do, get back to the style again. Yes, and here you can see a space between. You can increase or decrease the space between. That's fine. And here it is. On the right side we have the image. Just here goes one column, here goes another column, and in the middle if you hover over it, and you will see something like this, and it means you can drag and adjust the width of the column. Okay, here you can see how we can adjust it. And click on the pencil icon, and here you will see the image size. You can choose the medium large or any size, full or custom size. I'm going to choose the medium one. Alignment left, and you can attach any caption, you can link it. Okay, so go to the style, you can just manually manage the height or width, and you can add any effect, you can increase or decrease the opacity of the image. Okay, you can add CSS filter, you can add border areas, you have the control. Okay, so go to the right, and I don't see there should be anything else. It's pretty simple and pretty beautiful to look now. Okay, just hit update, and again I'm going to check it. Okay, let me show you how it looks on different screen size, how it looks on tablet. Okay, not bad. On the mobile phone, I will have to adjust the font size on the mobile. For the mobile screen, I will have to adjust the font size for the mobile screen, but I'll do this just at the end part of this video. Okay, just we are going to switch to the desktop again. Okay friends, now we are going to add this section, services we offer. Okay, so what you can see, a section with 3 column row. Okay, again click on the plus sign and start with 3 columns row. sorry. This is not the way. Just I'm going to remove it and just click here. Start with this on column row, and we are going to add the title first. This time click here and we are going to add a title. We are going to add the separator. Just I'm going to click here, copy, and I'm going to paste here. Okay, and click here and get some text. Pretty simple. Okay, now to add this feature box, what I'm going to do, click here and I'm going to drag and drop inner sections. Okay, now you can see 2 column, but I'm going to click here to add another new column. So now I have 3 new columns. Fantastic. Okay, again I'm going to add this info box. So click on this plus sign and here you can see info box, and just click, drag and drop, click, drag and drop the info box. Here it is, and you can just click, come here and duplicate. Now you can see we are going to create this section. Firstly, what I'll do, I'll just design only one box, then I will copy and paste the style to all of 1 2 3 4 5 boxes what I showed you here. Okay, but I can also easily play a trick. Just come here, copy, and come here, paste style. Fantastic. Just paste style, just paste style. Once again, what I did, I just copied the style I used for this box, and I copied and I clicked here, right click and paste style, right click, paste style, right click, paste style, and again click here, edit column, click copy and edit style, paste here and paste here, paste here. You are not seeing any difference, but you will see it definitely if I change the background color of this section, because here on the demo side you have you can see a different background color. I'm going to get the color code. Just I'm going to click on my favorite Chrome extension, color picker eyedropper, click here and you see the color code. Okay, and once again, if you would like to change the background color of any section, what you will have to do, you will have to come here and click edit section, and here you can see edit section panel is open up here, and click on this style, and under background here you can see classic, here you can see color, click on it and add the color here. Okay, you can add it to color picker also. Now here you can see the difference. Okay, also I'm going to add some padding here, you can see. So go to the advanced and I'm going to unlink it and going to add some padding for top. I usually add 80 pixel for top and 60 pixel for bottom. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, once again we are going to style this title, but I'm not going to do that because I would like to work smart. I don't like to work hard. Just come over here. Already we have styled a title. Just come over here and click on write and click copy. And come here. Click here on the pencil icon and right click and paste style. Fantastic. Write the text. So, designing a website is a very simple task. You can, whether you know how to code, whether you know HTML, whether you know CSS, whether you don't know any programming language or any scripting language, you can design or create any website if you watch this video, I believe. Okay, so click here. As we are going to minimize the width of this divider, just on right. And anyway, if you like or don't like my video, you can let me know what you think about my tutorial. Just leave a feedback. That will help me a lot. And just I'm going to decrease it. Okay. Again, I'm going to change the heading and icon. Here you can see build customer list. Just click on it. Click on the pencil icon. Okay. And click on the icon. What is the icon? Users. This one. Yes. Okay, it says. Next one is email listing. Just click on here on the pencil icon. Email listing. So what we are going to do, just change the icon. Email. Which one I use? This one. And again, anybody, anyway, if you want, you can increase or decrease the size of the icon as I showed you earlier. It's easy. Go to the style and here you can see the option to increase or decrease the size. Okay, and come here. What is the text? Social media marketing. And change the icon. This icon. I'm going to just change these things for these three. Okay, and pretty simple. I'm going to do it very quickly. Let me change for this one. Video marketing. YouTube and SEO tools. This one and payment gateway. Card. Okay, but something should be done. Here you can see no space between two column, between two row. So what I'm going to do, click here and go advanced and just unlink it, add some padding for top. I'm going to add 40 pixels. That's all. Now I'm going to see the preview here. Fantastic. So that's all. We are going to build this section soon. Well friends, now we are going to start building this section. It's a counter. If I reload this page, then you will see how it looks. Okay, just again reload this page, and if I scroll down, and here we will see animated, amazing, just a fancy counter. So how we can do that? We are going to build here. Just as per usual, we are going to add a section with 1 2 3 4 columns, just 4 columns, and here you can see 1 2 3 4. Just click on this plus sign, and here you will search for counter, and just click on it, just left click and drag and drop here. Pretty interesting. So the value is 200. I'm going to put the ending value 200, and starting number is 0, or you can add starting value to 100. Okay, just number prefix plus sign, prefix will be plus sign. Okay, and 1000 separator, yes, and separator default, and title, what will be the title? Here you can see amazing products, sorry, amazing products. So just put here amazing products. Now let's go to the style. Here you can see the color is white. I'm going to check the typography, 69 pixel, blah blah. I'm going to change the text color to white. Now if I change it to white, you won't see anything. I will do this after adding the background image, just like this. So let me add the background image now. I'm sorry, I'm just going to move from here to there. Just click here, edit section, and go to the style, and under background click on classic, and here you will see image, upload image, and here is the image. If you need these images for your project, I will leave the link to download these images. These are free images, so it will be easy to follow the tutorial. Now you can see it looks cool, and I'm going to add overlay color, and just add overlay color to black, and opacity 5 or 6. Okay, now I'm going to get back to the layout, and here you can see content with boxed, content height, minimum height. Okay, minimum height 400, but you can make it 300. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm going to again get back to the style, and just position center, here it is, center, and attachment will be fixed so that it creates a parallax effect. You see this fixed background, so it creates a parallax effect. And once again I'm going to change the background overlay to black, not like this, black, and change the opacity. Okay, so I'm going to change this color. Just click here, go style, and here you can see title. So title color should be this color, and go to the typography, change the font family Poppins, and font weight should be 600 or 700. Okay, 700. And font size 26 pixel. Okay, it's getting big. 20 pixel. So I'm going to hit update and scroll down. So here it is. Okay, as usual, the thing that I like to do, just click here on this pencil icon, right click, copy, and come here, click here and paste. Click here and paste. Click here and paste. So what do you think? Create a single section or create a single element, then you just copy it, paste it. Okay, happy customers. Click here and write happy customers, change the numbers you want. Start from 25. Okay, then team members 20 plus. Click here. Click here. Okay, that's all. Hit update and check here. Fine. Now we are going to create this section, team members. Okay friends, now let me show you how to build this section, meet our teams. Just get back here and click on the plus sign, click on first one column row, and we are going to add this title, meet our team. Click on the plus sign and here you can see heading, just drag and drop, change the text, meet our team, and here you can see the divider. So I'm going to get here and copy it, paste here. Okay, and I'm going to click here to add the text editor. Just drag and drop here. Okay, so I need to add 4 columns. What I'm going to do this time, just using this inner section, just click on it, drag and drop here. And by default it creates 2 columns, but what I'm going to do, click here, again click here to add new column, again click here, add new column, and now I have 4 columns. So now I'm going to build this. What I'm going to do, click here and here you can see image box, just click, drag and drop. And I'm going to change the image first, just upload images, and here it is. Just add this on, and name is Imran Emo. So change the title to Imran Emo. here it is, and text. Add some. Now just click to the style and make the image width to 100%. Okay, and here you can see text color. Just go to the content part, and here you can see title. Just click on the color, click here this color. Now you can see it changes. Go to the description and click on color, select this color. Okay, if you want you can change the typography, but I have showed you a lot of times how to update the typography. And the size should be okay, 34 or 30 pixel. Now I'm going to show you how to add this social media icons. Just click here and search for social, and here you can see social icons. Just drag and drop here, and what you can see, just add new item. Add new item. How many here? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And now here you can see I'm going to show you how to change the link. For example, for Facebook, you can add the link here. Just go to Facebook, okay, say for example this is the page I run, and I'm just going to get this URL and come over here, add the URL here. Okay, just in the same way you can change URL for any icon. And here you can see the icon shape: square, circle. I like square, and alignment should be left. Okay, let's go to the style tab and color, official color, but you can add any specific color. I'm going to add the custom color, and the primary color should be this color. Okay, now secondary color will be this color. Sorry, no, just clear. And size, just increase or decrease the size. Okay, 24. Perfect. And just you can add border radius, but don't need. Icon hover, just icon hover color, primary color will be this. Now if you hover over here, and you can see the change. Okay, and hover animation, pulse. Okay, you can see the hover animation. That's pretty fine. Okay, if you want you can add a lots of styling, then it's up to you. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it and click here, paste it, and paste it, and again copy, paste here, paste here, paste here. That's fine. Now click here or click here to change the image. You can change the image name, description, blah blah. Click. Okay, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the style of this text. Just come over here, copy it and paste here to change the style. And what we need to add this background color for this section, and we need to add padding. Okay, I'm just going to get the color and just go to style, editing the section, and just go for style. Here you can see background and choose classic and click on color. You can add this color, we have already added it. Okay, now go for advanced and unlink it, add some margin for top. I like to add 80. Sorry, no margin, just made mistake. Add padding. Okay, add padding 80 pixel, and for bottom add 60 pixel. Okay, now it's quite good, and click on here to add the change the text color, style, color, this color. That's all for this section. You can change any icon. Okay, now we are going to build this section. Okay, here you can see two column, and what I'm going to do, just going to click on this plus sign, and I'm going to start with this one. And as there is a header title, what I'm going to do, just click on this plus sign and bring the header on. Here I'm going to take the text and paste the text here. Okay, now I'm going to add an inner section. Just click, drag and drop here. Okay, and here I will add YouTube video. Just drag and drop here, and on the right side I will add an image. I will add what should I say, it's a accordion. Okay, just click here and search for accordion, and here it is. Just drag and drop here, and I used this following title: website and mobile app design. So I'm going to type the title here. You can see accordion titles. Here you can see accordion items, and if you click on it, and you will see the options to add title, description. Okay, so website and mobile app design. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to start designing. First of all, I'm going to add the padding for this section. So I'm going to start with the top. So on the top here you can see edit sections. Just click on here, and on the left here you can see layout, style and advanced. Just unlink here and add padding for top 60 pixel, and for bottom 60 pixel. You can also add 80 for top. That's cool. Now I'm going to hit update. So now I'm going to design this heading. Here we have already designed the heading, so I'm going to copy the style, copy it and just paste the style. Okay, now I'm going to change the video. I'm going to search for YouTube. Okay, here on YouTube I'm going to add this video from YouTube. Just I'm going to get the link and click on the pencil icon, and here you can see you can show video from YouTube, but on top you can see For source, YouTube is selected here. Okay, you can select the start time, you can select the end time, you can set it autoplay. Then if anybody load this page, then this video will be played automatically. And you can mute, then it won't, the sound will be muted. Okay, and loop, it will be automatically displayed. That's all, pretty simple. And you can add also image overlay. Okay, and an overlay image, just this image. Okay, now it looks different. Okay, that's all for the video. Hit update. Now I'm going to design this accordion. Click on it. I'm going to design the accordion. So what I'm going to do, just tap to style, and here you can see border width, but I'm going to make it 0 but 1 pixel. Okay, and border color, this color. And for title, I'm going to get the background color, this color, and text color will be white. And for active color should be this color. And the typography, font family would be Poppins. Font size, (18 pixel). Okay, that's all for this section. And the another one, this one, I'm going to create this one. So just click here, start with 2 column section, and I'm going to minimize it and add this text. Firstly, a title, trusted by our clients. Just click on the plus sign to open up the widget panel, drag and drop the heading, trusted by the clients, and this one. Okay, copy it, paste here, and just some text. Okay, I'm just going to get the style for the title, paste here, start studying the divider. Okay, now here I'm going to add the carousel, logo carousel of the clients. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for carousel. Okay, I won't have to search. Here you can see image carousel. Just drag and drop here. And on the content part of edit image carousel, here you can see no images selected. Just I will have to click on this plus sign to add images. Just click on, and it will just create a gallery. Okay, so hit upload files, select files. I'm going to add this clients. Just hit open. Here you can see 8 items. Just it will create a new gallery. Just click on this button, create a new gallery, and hit insert gallery button. And here you can see it works. So, and from here you can choose the image size, medium or just medium large. I have just resized these images using Adobe Photoshop, so I think I can use the full size. Slides to show how many images should be displayed. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 images. And slides to scroll 3. Now what I'm going to do, you can add only arrow, or you can add dots only, or you can show arrows and dots both. Let's go for additional options. Here you can see several options for this carousel. You can just enable autoplay or disable it, pause on hover, pause on interaction, just autoplay speed, etc. The direction is from left, but you can make it from right too. So let's tap to style and arrow position inside or outside. And the size, you can control the size of the arrow, and color, I'm going to choose this color, and dots will be outside, and the size you can increase or decrease the size, and color, and images, vertical alignment, just center, spacing default, and go to the advanced, okay. Now here you can see edit column, just click on it, and here you can see vertical alignment, just make it to middle. Now you can see it's middle. That will look very nice. So that's all. I think you could learn how to create a carousel, and you have the setting options to customize it. Hit update, and that was the last section. I'm going to build the footer in the final part. I'll just design the header and footer later. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start designing this about page for now. So let's see the about us page. Here it is. We have learned how to create this, and this will be very easy. So I'm not going to create this page from the scratch. Just what I'll do, I'll just use a pre-made template that I used here. Okay, so here just go to my website. Okay, come to my website. I have provided the link. I will provide the link of this website in the video description, and click on this button freebies, and you will be sent here. And here you can see free page layouts for Elementor. Just click free downloads, and here you can see contact page layout, about page layout, header and footer, everything. Just click on add to cart, click on add to cart, click on add to cart. Just go to the checkout, and here you can see you have added 4 items. Okay, and now put the email address. I'm going to add this email address, and in this way you can download this layout and start designing the about us page. Just put your email address because we will send the purchase receipt to this address, and full name Imran and last name Mo, and hit free download button. Okay, here goes the purchase confirmation. You can download from here or you will see an email. Just go to your email. Okay friends, here I have got the email purchase receipt from Imran Imo. Just click on it, and here you can see purchase receipt. I have purchased the Elementor page layout, Elementor about page layout, etc. Just all of them are free. So click on every links, then you will be able to download. Once you have downloaded, just get back to the main tutorial, and you can just also download from here. Okay, now I'm going to close this here from here. Sorry, from here. As I have saved it. Okay, just exit to dashboard. Okay, now I'm going to check all pages, and here goes my about us page. Just click on edit, and here you can see edit with Elementor button. Just hit edit with Elementor, and as I said, what you will have to do, just come to the setting gear icon, and you will have to choose the page layout. Just you will use Elementor full width. Now hit update. Okay, this time I'm not going to add any section. What I'll do, just use a pre-made template. So click on this button, add template, and I'm going to navigate to my template. I haven't added any template, but I'll import it. On the right here you can see import template button. Just click on it and import template to your library. Just select file, and I have this file, and once you have downloaded and unzip the file, just navigate to about page, and you will see about on.json file. Just click on it. Here it is. It has been added. You can just see the preview. Okay, that's cool. Now hit insert. Here it is. Now hit update. Here goes the brand new page. Okay friends, now if you would like to customize this page, you can, because I showed you earlier when I designed the home page how to customize it. Just click on this edit with Elementor, and you can change any text, image easily. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to design this contact page. Just I will use the pre-made template. We have downloaded this template from my site. Okay, and you will see the purchase receipt in your mail address. So open up contact us, hit edit. Okay friends, just click this button, edit with Elementor. And once again, just change the page layout, Elementor full width, hit update, and I'm going to click this button and click here, import template, select file, and this time I will import this template, contact page. Okay, I'm going to click insert. And here you can see it has been inserted very easily. So that's pretty easy. Okay, I have successfully imported. Just hit update. And if you want, you can change image, text, everything, just the way I showed you. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get back to OceanWP theme settings so that you can get this nice heading, okay, header, and then I will add this footer template. Okay friends, now I have accessed the dashboard and let me see the website now. Here it is. We have designed our homepage, but we can't see the homepage here. So now our task is to set the homepage, this homepage, to the main landing page of our website. If someone hit our website's homepage, then they can see it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, going to settings, and under settings go to reading, and here you can see your homepage display. I'm going to choose the second option, a static page, and I'm going to select a page, home page, for home page. Okay, and for blog post I'm not going to choose anything, just hit save changes. Now if I reload this page, now I can see the page we have designed. Okay, let's see, set the permalinks, get back to general setting, and here you can see site title is my WordPress, but you can change it according to your website or brand. Just remove this tagline, you should use your tagline, and from here you can just change the default date format, default time format, weeks start on, everything. Just hit save changes and go to permalinks. Here you can see, and by default the custom structure is selected, but I'm going to choose post name. Permalinks are the rules that how your website URL will be. Just hit save changes and now reload the page again. Okay, I'm going to change it, just go to general again and change it to OceanWP bar, or I'm going to change it to what, digital agency. Okay, hit update, reload the website. Here you can see digital agency now. Okay friends, here you can see customize, or if you access appearance, and here you can see customize. You can access the customize either way, but I'm going to click from here, just under appearance, under themes, I'm going to click on customize. If you click on customize, then you will be able to customize the default settings of the theme. And I think you know we are using OceanWP theme. I'm going to remove this title and remove this footer, and I'm going to add our custom header and custom footer like this. Okay, first of all, Here you can see site identity. I have already changed it, but site icon, I'm going to select the site icon. We don't have any icon or logo at the moment, but I'm going to upload the file. Select file, this one, just select, skip cropping, and here you can see the icon has been changed. Just hit publish. Now reload this page. Here you can see the image. Okay, now we have changed our site icon. Get back and menus. Well, I'm not going to touch this menu part. I will do it later. Just get back to the widgets, and for footer we are not going to use the widget. Just go back to the home page setting. We have covered it already, and go for general option. Okay, general styling. Here you have the general styling and link color, hover color, background color. Okay, primary color. You can change the color according to your choice. And general settings. Layout style is boxed, wide. Okay, and content width. Page layout. And the page layout will be full width, but we have selected the page layout from Elementor Page Builder, so this option is not necessary for us. Okay, just get back. And page title, here you can see the page title, but we will disable it. Show on all device. Okay, and here you can see a style. I'm just going to choose this option, hidden. Now you can see the title is gone. Okay, just get back and scroll to top. Here you can see a button, scroll to top. Just click on it. You can select the style. I'm going to choose this one. It changes here, and the location or position, and background color. I'm going to, here I have set this background color. So the background color will be this color. So I'm going to get the color code. Here I'm going to paste the color here. Okay, and background color on hover. Again going to paste the color code, but I'm going to reduce the opacity. Okay, so hit publish and get back. Pagination, as it is not a blog website, so I'm not going to work with pagination, but if you run any blog site, then you can change the pagination style. Theme button. Okay, and 404 page, it will be full width and blank page. And you can also select any template for 404 page. Get back again, and typography. Here you can select the typography for body, font family, etc. for all headings, but we have managed it using Elementor Page Builder, so we are not going to touch anything. But for menu, here we will have to touch, because we will use the menu from OceanWP. Here you can see main menu. Font family will be Poppins. Okay, here we have it, Poppins, and $600 normal. Font size 14. Just hit publish, get back, and header, general, header style. But we will okay, we will get back to menus and header right after we have added the pages to menu. Okay, just I'm going to save and close here. Now we are going to add our pages here on the menu. Okay, to add the pages to your menu, go to appearance, then click on menu. Here under menu structure, we don't have any menu right now, but I'm going to create a menu and I'm going to name it main menu. Okay, hit create menu button. A menu has been added, but we will have to add item. So here you can see add menu items. What are the items? Pages, post, custom links, categories, etc. So under pages, I'm going to click on view all, and here you can see all pages. Just add to menu. On the demo site, here you will see several pages, but you can create as many pages as you want and add to the menu. Just hit save menu. And here you can see menu setting. Check this box, main menu. Okay, save changes again. Now reload this page. Here you can see home, about us, and contact us. Okay, well friends, a few minutes ago we accessed the customizer, but we didn't set the pages to the menu that time. So we are going to access the customizer again. So under appearance, click customizer. This time we will work only for this part, footer and menu. Now firstly go to header, and here you can see general and header style minimal, and height of the header you can increase it to 80. Okay, or 90 pixel. Okay, you can make the header full width. Background color is white, we like it. And padding. Okay, just get back again. Header media, we won't use any header media. And logo, and select here to add the logo. Here is the logo, select, and we won't crop, just skip cropping. And here you can see the logo is added. And I'm going to set the height. Height should be okay, 80 pixel. And hit publish, get back, and here you can see menu, and select the template. We don't have any template, but here you can see the position of the menu. We have the position on center, so bring it to center or bring it to left. If you have lots of menu items, then you can bring it to left, but we are going to make it to center. And at this moment, no effect, but we want this effect. So link effect should be underline from left. Here you can see underline from left. Okay, but we will have to change the color. Here you can see the link color. I'm going to make it to black, and link color, current menu item, I'm going to get this color. Here it is. As you can see, hover color changes. Just link color for hover. Okay. Okay, link effect color. Okay, almost done. Now scroll down. Here you can see the search icon style. If I click on the search icon, it's drop down, but we are going to use this one, header replace. Just click and it replaces the header, just like it. Okay, scroll down, we have nothing. Just hit publish and get back. Social menu, enable social menu and select template. We don't have any template, just simple or colored. We are going to add some URL just for Facebook. Say for example, I'm going to use this link. Facebook Twitter YouTube. Okay, hit publish and just come over here, same window or new window, font size, select template, colored, minimal. Okay, here you can see minimal, but I'm going to change it to simple. Here it is, simple. Make it colored. Okay, colorful icon. Dark. Also on the demo we have used the dark one, but you can change according to your choice. Font size, you can increase or decrease the font size, and margin right, you can add margin. Okay, I'm going to hit update, just hit publish and get back, and mobile menu, leave it default and get back, and go to the menus, and here you can see already have menu, so we have nothing to do here. Just get back again. Okay, now let's see how we can change the footer. Here it is. Okay, So to change the footer, what we'll have to do, we'll have to just go here, footer bottom, and firstly we will have to disable this. The footer bottom is gone. Okay, then just go to the footer widgets, and here you can see select template, but we don't have any template. Okay, what I'm going to do, just hit publish, and again access the dashboard, and under Elementor you will see templates, and just click on add new, and here you can see import templates. Choose file, go to downloads, layout, footer on, hit import, and here you can see footer on. Now if I reload here, now we are going to access footer widgets to change the footer area, and here you can see select template. You can select any template. So what we'll have to do, just choose a template created in theme panel, my library. So access the dashboard, and here you can see theme panel, just click on it and skip it. Okay, and here you can see library, my library, here add new, and I'm going to name it footer. Okay, just hit publish, just edit with Elementor. This time I'm going to choose the page layout to Elementor canvas, and hit update, and click here add template. Just import footer on. Now insert it, and here you can see the footer. So hit update, and again go to the customizer and reload it. Now go to the footer widgets, and here select template, click on it, and you see footer ocean on. Just hit publish. Now reload the website, scroll down, here you can see the footer area, and you will see on every page. Okay, but there is a different color for the background. We will have to change it. Just customizer, here you can see background color. What I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this color, I'm going to choose this color, and come over here, so scroll down. Now it's nice, and you can change the text color to white or any color. Okay, so I think I could show you how I added the footer. Okay, hit publish. Now if I reload this page, I can see this beautiful footer, and if I click on it, and it will send me top. Just click on home. Okay, so I'm going to open this website in a new browser. Okay, here it is, but here on top you can see a white space. I will have to take care of it. Just go to the customizer, get back to header, and top bar. general, and here you can see enable top bar, but uncheck it. So now that issue is gone. Hit publish. Okay. So friends, that's all. I hope you could understand and create a web page today using OceanWP theme and Elementor Page Builder. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know your opinion through the video comment box. And if you need any hosting packages, just support my channel and purchase the hosting packages from the recommended site. I have provided the link in the description. Okay, that's all. Hope to see you, and I will see you again in a new video. Thank you for watching.